So now we are going to see the maintenance of a pneumatic and hydraulic systems. Okay, the maintenance involves the functional checks, servicing, repairing or replacing the necessary devices. Also called the functional check, also called the inspection measures to recognize and assess the actual situations. So normally we used to check the hydraulic fluid level daily in the morning in the tank. Okay, and then the system for external leakage, hydraulic fluid temperature during the operation, checking the monitoring equipments for proper function, cleanliness of the hydraulic oil. Check the contamination of the filters, analyze the chemical properties of the hydraulic fluid, check the temperature at the points where the bearings are located, check the generation of oil, inspect the pipes and hoses, inspect the lubricating oil in the oil. Repairing means the one of the activities in the maintenance fault findings and repairing. If any sudden failures or malfunction of the equipment cause, then we have to find out the reason for the cause. The troubleshooting the common failures reduce the speed of the travel of machine elements, slow response to control, excessive loss of system pressure, leakage in the system, rise in the oil temperature.